Mumbai lit up on 28 August as the Ambani family bid farewell to Antilya Cha Raja, their beloved Ganpati Bappa. But this year, while the entire procession was grand as always, one person stole the spotlight. It was none other than Radhika Merchant, the Ambani family's Choti Bahu. Dressed in festive attire and full of energy, Radhika was seen riding on a beautifully decorated tempo, heading toward Girgaon Chowpatty for the Visarjan. With a bright smile and glowing presence, she led the chants of Ganpati Bappa Morya and even called out Har Har Mahadev. Hyping up the crowd like never before. Her enthusiasm lit up the streets, and fans just couldn't get enough. Videos of her joyful celebration went viral, proving she's not just a part of the Ambani family, but a true crowd favorite. People online praised her for her devotion, simplicity, and that special connection she showed with the festival. It was clear, Radhika wasn't there just for the cameras. She was truly celebrating. Meanwhile, her fiancé Anant Ambani walked the procession route alongside the idol, surrounded by bodyguards but fully involved in the moment. Mukesh and Neeta Ambani were also seen offering prayers with warmth and grace, embracing the spirit of the festival. The evening also saw celebrity appearances with Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh visiting Antilya for darshan, and Shikhar and Veer Pehriya joining the farewell rally, adding to the glamour. As the idol was finally immersed at Chowpatty, the city came together in celebration, but it was Radhika Merchant who truly won hearts. With her joyful spirit, love for tradition, and natural charm, the Choti Bahu of the Ambani family made this Ganpati Visarjan unforgettable. Until next year, Ganpati Bappa Morya.
The streets were full of color, music, and devotion, and amidst it all, one moment grabbed everyone's attention. Bollywood's beloved Govinda and his wife Sunita Ahuja celebrated Ganpati Visarjan together, putting an end to all the buzz around their rumored separation. Yes, the couple danced side by side, smiling, laughing, and celebrating like always, proving that love still rules. Sunita later shared a beautiful photo on Instagram, posing with Govinda, their son Yashwardhan, her mother, and actress Manisha Koirala. She kept the caption simple and sweet, Ganpati Bappa Moria. In one emotional moment, Sunita was seen crying while embracing the idol, a sign of deep devotion and perhaps emotional healing too. But when asked about the swirling rumors, Sunita didn't hold back. She had a powerful message. Sunita Ahuja said, "You guys have come for Ganpati or the controversy? Hasn't the media been slapped in the face by seeing us together so close? If there was something off, there would have been distances. No power can separate us, neither the god nor the Satan. They say, my husband is mine, likewise, my Govinda is mine. It's my humble request to everyone to not believe the rumors. Don't believe anything unless you hear it from us." Earlier, Govinda's manager, Shashi Sinha, had already addressed the situation. "No, someone has done this mischief. This is a very old thing. Nothing new. Nothing like divorce is going to happen. Everything is getting better. Everything is fine. Very soon, everyone will get good news." He confirmed the reports were based on an old 2024 Bandra family court case, but added, "Yes, it is the same case, but it has been resolved. People refurbish old news. Everything is sorted out between the couple. Nothing to worry about." So, for everyone wondering, Govinda and Sunita are still going strong, and they chose Ganpati Bappa's farewell to send that message loud and clear. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Music composer Amal Malik has entered the Bigg Boss 19 house, and it's not just his hit tracks making headlines. Earlier this year, Amal shocked fans with an emotional Instagram post saying he was cutting ties with his family. Now, his father, veteran composer Dabu Malik, has opened up about what led to that moment. Dabu explained that Amal's issues weren't about failure, it was something deeper. Dabu said, "What happened is that in our generation, the face of the Malik family was Anu Malik. I also had my times of depression, criticism, but I never went public with it. Each to his own." He added that Amal struggled with his identity, especially as his younger brother Arman rose to fame. Dabu said, "Being the elder who created this ecosystem, Amal with his great music was not becoming the face. Suddenly one becomes a star like Arman. A singer becomes more popular than a composer." Dabu shared that the lack of recognition weighed heavily on Amal's heart. He said, "The feeling of not having an identity was a setback. In his heart, Amal wants to be a star. I hope this journey on a national platform will fulfill his dreams." Dabu believes Bigg Boss 19 is Amal's opportunity to claim his spotlight. He added, "Bigg Boss will give him that popularity, the face value, the identity that, here he is the man who created the music." About that viral post, Dabu said, "It was over a period of time. At a spark of a moment, he felt like, I need to tell the world what I am going through. So he posted on social media that he didn't want to do anything with the family. It was a cumulative effect of so many things. Still, Dabu says the family's love never changed. At the bottom of it, he cannot deny the amount of love he has from his family. And in that emotional time, Arman stepped up. Dabu shared, he just said, "Mom, Dad, keep away. I'm going to fly and take this up." He was very supportive. He loves his brother. For Dabu Malik, it's been a journey of reflection and a reminder to parents everywhere. Do not take any signs that seem out of normalcy lightly.
आहान पांडे ने दे दिया है अपना पहला इंटरव्यू। क्या सैयारा की सक्सेस से खुश हैं आहान पांडे? 18 अगस्त को रिलीज हुई वाईआरएफ की फिल्म सैयारा, जिसे डायरेक्ट किया मोहित सूरी ने, और इस फिल्म में नजर आए 2 डेब्यूटांट्स भी, आहान पांडे और अनीत पड्डा। फिल्म ने रिलीज के बाद से ही ऑडियंस को इतना इम्प्रेस किया कि ये फिल्म वाईआरएफ की वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट ग्रॉसर्स में से एक बन गई। और उसी के साथ साथ आलम तो ये था कि सन ऑफ सरदार 2 जो रिलीज होने वाली थी ऑन 25 जुलाई, उसकी रिलीज डेट को भी एक हफ्ता सरका दिया गया। ये फिल्म एक सेंसेशन साबित हुई। तो वहीं अब आहान पांडे ने दिया है एक इंटरव्यू जिसमें उन्होंने बात की है फिल्म की सक्सेस पर। He said, "One thing that made me very happy is that very rarely as an artist does your work speak first. For the first time in a long time has a film come first, and as an artist, that's the best thing you could ask for." तो वहीं पर आहान से जब उनके ड्रीम रोल के बारे में पूछा गया तो he said, "I think my dream role exists in the 90s. I don't think it exists now." तो वहीं पर अनीत पड्डा ने भी दिया जब अपना पहला इंटरव्यू, तो उन्होंने कहा, "I always wanted to act. I would be recording auditions and locking my door, telling my parents I was doing homework. I knew I would have to do this on my own because my parents did not have enough money to take me to Mumbai to audition." पोस्ट सैयारा आहान और अनीत को मिली है काफी ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी। तो वहीं पर दोनों को कई बार एक साथ स्पॉट भी किया जा चुका है। अब जो भी हो, सैयारा के बाद से ये दोनों स्टार्स हो गए हैं काफी ज्यादा पॉपुलर, और अब ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा कि इनके अगले प्रोजेक्ट्स कौन से होते हैं।